Then we turn to the right, fold up, brush knee and step. Adjust the back foot. Be careful with this arm. From here, don't pull the right arm back. Keep it out. You don't want to end up like this. So you turn the upper body so that the arms stay in front of you. Again, turn and the arms stay in front. Turn back to the front, brush the knee and shift. Adjust your back foot. The elbow should be in line with the opposite knee. It mustn't be here or back there. Here, brush knee and step, and then move the weight forward. Not like this. Remember, the arm and the leg must move together. Side, front, side, brush knee and step, then shift the weight and extend the hand so that the elbow is opposite the knee. Michelle will now demonstrate adding a few common errors. Turning too far back and pulling the arm back. Keep the elbow in front of so the elbow mustn't move here. It must stay in front of the chest. So she turns her chest, folds up, and then brush knee and step. So this is too far back. Remember, the elbow should be in line with the knee. Also, there's a tendency to do this kind of thing as well. Yeah, so this is curved. Okay, once more. This hand should be 6 inches above the thigh and 9 inches to the side. Translate that into centimeters. Arm should be so this hand should be in, so it's in line with the shoulder, not out. And be careful of this as well. See.